Just remember that you're standing on a planet that's evolving, revolving at 900 miles an hour.
Good morning, Endeavour, and welcome to another great day to be working in space.
Thank you, Shannon. That was a really cool song. You know, it kind of gives you a sense of how huge our universe is and how much we have ahead of us in exploring it.
Here's a view from one of the windows in the cupola. What you're looking at here is a Progress vehicle. That's the Russian cargo vehicle. It's a fully automated rendezvous and docking and then burns up on entry cargo vehicle. You can back up manual fly it from the service module, and the service module, the command and control center for the Russian segment, is back there. And then behind that is the European ATV, automated transfer vehicle. It's the one with the solar panel that's going up at an angle there. The solar panel is extending out to your left there. Those are panels for the service module. And then the ones that are folded up over here, those are on the FGB, the Russian cargo block. That was the first part of the space station that ever flew. And what you see here on top of the FGB is a new Russian module. It's a research module. And below the Progress is called a docking compartment, or SOID. You can see there's a little hatch on it with a window. There's one on the other side as well, and they do their spacewalks from that module. And so this is a module that used to fit inside the, we had many of these that flew inside the shuttle cargo bay and brought up logistics with it, and this one was modified to stay here permanently. So it's a very nice space, and we've been using it for our EVA preparations, and it's a lot of cargo in there. It's a very nice space to have. You're looking at the U.S. laboratory there. Attached to it is Dexter, the robot from Canada. It's also called SPDM, Special Purpose Dexterous Manipulator. It's got 2 arms, and it'll be able to do replacement tasks outside the station. As you can see, a couple of things attached to it. Of course, there's the shuttle and the Earth behind. Very beautiful, attached to the space station, and a very big component of it when attached. And if you look across on the other side, you see an antenna there. That's a UHF antenna, and beyond it is Columbus, the European research module. And then coming out the other side is the JAM, the Japanese research module, and in front of that is the JEF, the Japanese exposed facility, where a lot of research and experiments are conducted. And there's a robotic arm sticking up there. You can see just the end of it. And that arm can actually move things in and out of an airlock at that end of the Japanese module. And turning a little bit further, now you can see part of the truss. That's one of the logistics carriers. ELC-1 has some spare parts for the space station. We added ELC-3, which is on the top side during this mission. And you see the beautiful solar panels there, 240 feet from tip to tip, extending out one side. And coming further around, see we're coming back around to the Russian side. So there's a panoramic view from the cupola, absolutely beautiful. And if I look straight up, get to see a view of the Earth straight down. That's why it takes 3 of us to move it.
Tell me what you got.
It is the carbon dioxide removal assembly, and we brought up a new bed to scrub carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, and we installed it. We had to take the thing completely apart, put it all back together again.
Why are we seeing it right now in the middle of the module?
Because we have to move it from where we did the work to where we're going to install it back in the rack.
Where is it going?
It goes in node 3. Is this the Inquisition?
Yeah, node 3. Well, right now we're in node 2, so we've got a long ways to go.
I'm actually not doing anything. I'm just riding. To the Taz is pulling us all.
Three Bravo.
3 Bravo. This is 3 Bravo.
Okay, on 1 and 2 side,
1 and 2.
you're going to get 4 bricks.
There's 2. There's 3. There's 4.
Alright, then on 3 and 4, nope. You're going to get up, yeah, 3 and 4, you're going to get all the bags in your room. Frozen urine. For science.
Medical samples.
Boxman, back in exercise. We are leaving today, and in a few hours we'll be on dock. We want to put everything back in order, back in place, so to leave the station better than what it was when we arrived.
So here we go.
You drinking it?
Nope.
It's on your nose?
Yep.
It looks like a clown nose.
And
Oh, yeah. That's kind of freaky, actually. It's kind of scary. Is that how you guys wash your face on the space station?
nope. That was the first time I did that. But it worked well.
Well, Box, we're commemorating our mission and our spacewalks, and it's a tradition after each shuttle crew arrives to put their mission sticker on the wall here in the airlock behind one of the, or nearby to the EMUs, and sign it. This is the last space shuttle-based EVA team, and I think we can be proud of our accomplishments with 4 successful EVAs, so we're just here to mark the occasion and sort of close out the mission here on Space Station.
Hey, Ronnie.
Hey,
I
boss.
guess, dude, the cupola windows are closed. That's it, isn't it?
Yep, you just heard a call on the big loop for attitude control or maneuvering to prepare for the other guys undocking. Unfortunately, that means that the shutters on the cupola have to remain closed until after you guys leave. So I'm sure you guys enjoyed it while you could, but this beautiful view is being ended for the time being. You just caught us closing the hatch.
All right, where are you in the procedure?
Equalization
We're
valves
done.
are off.
Right. It's right at
And
the
they're
end.
capped.
All right. Hey, Drew, how's it going?
It's going good, Box. We got the fiducial scale, so we're in good shape.
That's good.
Perform LIO change out for the cue card.
Uh-oh.
All right.
Busy.
Got here just in time.
All right.
Hatch is closed, Box. We're going to be going home soon.
You betcha.